Hey there, welcome to Real Women Real Results, where our clients share their body transformation success stories through our 90-day weight gain transformation program. I feel like I'm on cloud 9. This is not me, this is our client Mayuri. She has been in Germany and she has always been 35 kgs her whole life. In just 90 days, she gained 6 kgs and she has completely transformed how she looks. She doesn't have chicken legs anymore. She can wear tights to the gym. She's confident enough to wear anything she wants. And she has transformed her cheeks, her body, her arms, everything. If you don't believe me how she did this, check out her amazing transformation for yourself.
First of all, congrats on completing around 70 days of your journey.
Yes.
And we've successfully gained 5.5 kgs and we're almost going to gain 6 kgs, which was our goal. So how do you
Yeah,
feel?
I feel I'm on cloud nine, to be very honest. I am constantly flexing my body in front of the mirror. Like even when I'm walking on the road and if I see any mirror, I'm just looking at myself that I can finally see some progress and my body is getting into a good shape. So I'm really
Yeah.
happy. Thank you very much.
Wow, that's amazing. And you don't need to thank me. I'm a part of your journey and I will be. So it's amazing. So what has changed since you've joined the journey? And I mean, what was there before that you've completely transformed now? What was the issue that you were facing earlier?
So earlier it was like I used to skip meals. That was one of the top reasons I feel that I have, constantly procrastinating on eating time to time meals. And I was not following any kind of, you know, tracking macros or protein and carbs and etc. But now at least I'm tracking my calories and protein intake, so I am really grateful for the mindset change that we had already talked a lot about. And even if I have a very random and very constant cravings for Indian food as I'm living in
Hmm.
Germany. So before I used to just think that if I want to eat pav bhaji, then I'm going to make pav bhaji with all the available ingredients. But now I'm thinking, how am I going to make that pav bhaji rich in protein? So
Yeah.
I am constantly, swapping the ingredients,
Mhm.
and I'm loving this change.
That's nice. What did you add in pav bhaji then? It's going to be a good
I added
motivation.
soya chunks.
Oh,
Yeah,
yes, makes sense. So, what difference do you see physically in yourself? We just talked about how your cheeks are looking lovely. So, what other difference do
yeah.
you see in your
Even the cheeks
body?
and the biceps and everything. Like if I flex it now, you can see a little
There's a
pop.
bicep.
Yeah. So earlier I was not having this. Like it was flat. It was flat
Yeah,
and straight, and even if I tried to flex it, there was nothing to be seen. But now when I flex it, I'm loving that little pop. And
yeah.
also in terms of strength, I think that I have increased a little bit of strength. Earlier, I was very in the terms of walking and running and etc. I was like मैं बहुत ज्यादा जल्दी थक जाती थी, बट
Hmm.
नाउ आई डू हैव द स्ट्रेंथ टू इवन वॉक, लाइक आई कैन वॉक 10 किलोmeters आराम से.
अरे वाह,
So it's
that's amazing.
yeah. So
Great.
sometimes when I go outside and unknowingly जब ज्यादा किलोमीटर्स वगैरह हो भी जाते हैं, आई डू नॉट रियलाइज कि ब्रो मैं इतना चल लिया मैंने.
Yeah.
बट इट डजंट फील, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, मतलब इतना टायर्ड नहीं लगता है. So
Wow.
that's a very good thing.
Wow. So that's stamina, that's strength, and
Yes,
so many things have changed in just 3 months. Imagine, and what if you give your body a year of consistency, right? It's going to
exactly,
be crazy.
exactly.
Yeah. So how do you feel your legs are looking right now? Like I was just going through your before and afters. I'll show it to you later. But oh my
Yeah.
God, like it's just completely, I can't even recognize that's you.
Exactly. It is like I need some time to shop now because earlier my jeans were like normal fitting to me. Some were very loose and things like that. But now when I wear that and जब मैं नीचे झुक रही हूँ, if I squat down to pick something up, it's getting tight in my thighs and I'm not able to squat in it. So I
Yeah.
can clearly see the difference and feel the difference, and I'm loving that difference. Like there
Yes.
was this jeans I sent you a picture of. It was lying in my cupboard since 3 years. I took it from India, like I bought it from India to Germany, thinking someday I will gain weight and I will wear that jeans. But 3 years later, I got the chance to wear it finally in the
Wow.
perfect fit.
Yeah. Lovely. So how long I mean, how many years were you stuck at 35 kgs and you finally crossed 40 kgs now?
I don't even remember. Like since I was growing up, I have always been skinny.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
मतलब बचपन से ही I was stuck at 33, 35. Even during the COVID lockdown period, I did not gain a single kilo of my weight.
Yeah.
So it was like more than, I can't even tell you, like more than 10 to 12,
Hmm.
15 years, I don't
Crazy.
remember.
Oh my God, I'm so happy. Like 6 kgs in 3 months we're aiming for, and we've achieved it. Like it is 500 grams away. So
Yes.
that's amazing. So how is your confidence boosted after this? Like after your weight gain journey?
It has been boosted in ways I can't describe because I feel so confident. When I joined the gym, I will tell you that when I joined the gym in the beginning, I was very skeptical about my body because I used to look so skinny. There were no curves on my body, and there were people, like even boys and girls, like their body. I used to feel like, bhai, when will I achieve such body?
Yeah.
And now when I see, I feel confident. Like in the beginning I used to feel doubtful about myself that do I think that I will be able to exercise in between these people, these kind of people, because they look so pretty, their body looks so stunning. But look at me, and now I am one of them, and I feel confident about working out in between those people. So
Yeah. So
hmm.
crazy difference, Mayuri. So what was your experience? How was your experience with Fitnia so far with me as your coach?
It was perfectly like the way you used to poke me in the morning, in the night, during the day, every time. It was one of my motivation because I knew कि I won't be able to do it alone. मेरे को कोई
Yeah.
तो चाहिए जो मेरे सर पे बैठे and who will be like किया क्या, खाया क्या, अच्छा नहीं खाया, अच्छा ठीक है कल खा लेना. So
Yeah.
for me it was very much important and much needed push, which I every time I received it from you, that constant push that I needed, I finally got it after almost 26, 27 years. So, yeah.
Yeah. Amazing. I'm so happy, and I'm sure that you want to continue because we don't stop here, right?
Yes.
So
Hi, I'm Niyati Chauhan, a certified fitness coach and a weight gain specialist. We've helped transform hundreds of busy working women globally through Fitnia's 90-day weight gain transformation program. If her story inspired you, then there are dozens of stories in our Real Women, Real Results playlist. Binge watch them, get inspired, and if you're ready to transform yourself in just 90 days, then click the link below to book a one-on-one consultation call with us and get started today.